Introduction to ICs. IC or integrated circuit is a microscopic electronic circuit array formed by the fabrication of various electrical components like resistor, capacitor, transistor and so on a semiconductor material wafer, that is silicon wafer, which can perform operation similar to the large discrete electronic circuit made of discrete electronic components. There are different types of ICs like analog integrated circuits, digital integrated circuit and mixed integrated circuit. Digital integrated circuit. The integrated circuit that operates only at a few defined levels instead of operating on all the levels. Then we have analog integrated circuit. These operate over a continuous range of signal and are known as analog ICs. They are subdivided as linear integrated IC and radio frequency integrated circuit. Then we have mixed integrated circuit. The integrated circuit that are obtained by the combination of analog and digital IC on a single chip is called as mixed IC. These IC functions as digital to analog converter and analog to digital converters, D to AC and A to D, and clock timings IC. Comparators. The comparator IC are used as comparators for comparing the inputs and then to produce the output. Then we have the switching IC, which are designed by using the transistor and are used for performing switching operations. Then we have operational amplifiers. Operational amplifiers are frequently used ICs similar to the audio amplifiers. The op-amps are used for the amplification purpose and these IC works similar to the transistor amplifier circuit. The timer IC. Timers are special purpose integrated circuit used for purpose of counting and to keep a track of time in application. Different packages of ICs. There are many different packages of ICs, each of which has unique dimensions, mounting types and input-output pins. Basically, IC packages can be grouped into three general categories: dual inline packages, chip carriers and grid arrays. All the packages, regardless of the category, has a body style that scales with pin count. The polarity marking and pin numbering. All ICs are polarized and every pin is unique in terms of both location and function. Most ICs will use either a notch or a dot to indicate which pin is the first pin. The first pin is towards the notch. Once you know where the first pin is, the remaining pin numbers increase sequentially as you move counterclockwise around the chip. Dual inline packages. Dual inline packages are packages with two rows of LEDs on two sides of the packages. Then the chip carriers. Chip carriers or quad flat packs are square packages with leads on all four sides. Then we have the grid arrays. These ICs are those type of packages that have their pins arranged in a grid. The pin grid may consist of leads, pads or solder balls on an area array. Surface mount packages. This type of package comes in grid arrays. In order to work with surface mount packaged ICs, you usually need a custom printed board or a PCB made for them, which has a matching pattern of copper on which they are soldered. Quad flat packages. This type of packages comes in chip carriers. Its IC pins out in all four directions. Gets you something that looks like quad flat package QFP. QFP ICs might have anywhere from 8 pins per side, 32 pins in total, to upwards of 70, 300 plus total. The pins on the QFP IC are usually spaced by anywhere from 0.4 mm to 1 mm.